Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandy Rachel, and in this video I am going to be answering that one question you've been asking yourself all this while. Does it mean when I sign up as an affiliate on Expertnaire I will only be promoting services through IG? Is it that it's only services through IG that is on Expertnaire? Anyways, don't worry, in this video I am going to be answering your question live and direct. I am not going to be just using my mouth to say it though. I am going to be showing it to you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Meanwhile, if you're seeing me for the very first time, you're welcome to my channel. Like I said earlier, my name is Mandy Rachel, aka the digital marketing queen. Do well to hit that subscribe button right now. Yes, that subscribe button. Hit it and tap on the bell icon beside it to turn on post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you are the first to know. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my videos. Anyways, in this video I don't want to talk too much. I am just going to dive right in and show you my screen and show you the answer to that question you have been asking all this while. Meanwhile, if after watching this video you have questions, don't forget to drop your questions in the comments. And finally, please like this video. Yes, it will mean so much to me. Like this video and also subscribe. Yes, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Hey guys, good day to you. So this is my Expertnaire dashboard, and actually this video I wanted to show you how the Expertnaire marketplace looks like, because a lot of people keep wondering, okay Mandy, this Expertnaire that you're talking about, what products are we going to be promoting? How many products are even there for us to promote? Are we going to, some of you are still doubting. Like someone was still talking to me yesterday and saying that is it that it's only 72 IG that is on Expertnaire? Well, I'm here to show you. This is my dashboard. As you can see, you can see dashboard, reports, product marketplace, affiliate sales, transactions, and all of that. So this is the dashboard. The one that I just left now is the dashboard. Do you understand? This is the dashboard. So let's go to product marketplace. I've clicked on it and it's going to open. So guys, this is the product marketplace, and you can see currently at the time I recorded this video, this was 85 products. Can you see that? So these are the products that we have on Expertnaire, and it is not only services through IG that is on Expertnaire. So you can see this particular product here. You can see this is the price, the affiliate commissions for this product. For example, the affiliate commissions ranges from 50% upward. Can you see that? So this 30,000 naira product now is 50% affiliate commission. That means you're going to get 15,000 naira as a bonus, as a commission when you sell the product, right? So that is your affiliate commission when you market that product, when you sell it and you get money from it. That is your affiliate commission. This one of 50,000 naira is 50% commission as well. When you sell it, you're going to get 50%, which is 25,000 naira. Can you guys see that? Which is 25,000 naira. So you can see this one of 9,999 naira. That's like 10,000. 50% commission as well. If you sell it, you're going to get 5,000 naira, right? So all of these products are here that you can actually promote as an affiliate on Expertnaire. Do you understand? It is not this one, but this particular one here is 80% commission, as you can see. So it is not just services to IG that is on Expertnaire. It is not just services to IG that is on Expertnaire. Services to IG is just one of the products on Expertnaire, and the reason why it is looking like so okay, look at this one, bake like a pro, is 20,000 naira, 50% commission. So this one is for people that want to learn how to bake, right? So if you sell this product and you get 50% affiliate commission, bake like a pro, you're going to get 10,000 naira. You only need to selling 10 of this is going to give you 100,000 naira, right? Selling 100 of this will give you 1 million naira to your bank account. To your bank account. This is not a go come something like, okay, let me go and come or something. No. Expertnaire pays you directly to to your bank account, right? Directly to your bank account. So guys, 72IG is not the only product on Expertnaire. Now the reason why it is looking like 72IG is the only is okay, a lot of people are promoting 72IG is because a lot of people in Nigeria are still new to all of these things, so they don't even know excuse me, a lot of people still don't know how to sell. A lot of people still don't know how to go about running a digital business. 72IG is not an affiliate marketing course. 72IG is a digital marketing course. It will teach you how to sell anything online, how to make money, how to literally set up your own online business. You can apply the knowledge to any business, guys, any business. Do you understand? Any online business. It will literally teach you how to print money online. It is a mentorship training program. It is a full-blown academy. Do you understand? It's not a course that you buy and they leave you by yourself. No, it is a course that there is constant mentorship, mentoring. We're always holding classes, and not just that. In addition to that, if you look at 72IG, for example, this is it here, you get 50% affiliate commissions. Do you understand? So not just that, not just the fact that 72IG is a full-blown mentorship training program, like we always have classes every now and then to hold you by the hand, to show you what to do, because this thing is not something that you can do on your own. That's the truth. A lot of people are saying, you look at this course now, is 100,000 naira and you get 50% commission. Now this is going to give you 50,000 naira affiliate commissions. Can you see this course is 100,000 naira, you get 50% commission, meaning when you sell it, your money per sale is 50k. No go come. Can you see that? This particular one, can you see that? So it is just amazing, guys. This is just amazing. So much money that you can make online as an affiliate, and so much things that you can actually learn as an affiliate. As a matter of fact, this is a learning process. This is a learning process. Do you understand? And not just that, guys, not just that. When you get the 72IG from me, you're going to be getting the 0 to Hero affiliate mentorship training program. Now this 0 to Hero affiliate mentorship training program, the 3-month membership costs 60,000 naira, but I'm going to give it to you free of charge. Yes, free of charge, because this particular mentorship training program will teach you how to build your business organically. Because I know you are just starting out, you've bought 72IG already of 62,500. You might not have money to run ads, and you want to make money immediately. You want to start making money ASAP, immediately, in the shortest time possible. This 0 to Hero is going to teach you how to build your business organic. As a matter of fact, you will make your first 1 million naira without ad. I did it. If I can do it, you too, you can do it. And you're also going to be getting my own mentorship. My mentorship is also there for you. I'm going to be there holding your hand. 0 to Hero is there through Coach Kenny and other coaches that we have in-house, holding your hand, teaching you what to do. 72IG is there. Everything, all the resources that you need is there to help you succeed in this online business and to help you make money in this online business. Anybody can do this. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. It is not hard, and that is why I'm here, to help you, to hold you by the hand, to show you the way and give you guidance on how to go about it, so that you too can be on your way to any consistent 7 figures online weekly. And I wish you all the very best. So that's it, guys. There you have it. Now you know that 72IG is not the only product you're going to be promoting as an Expertnaire affiliate. So if you would love to get 72IG training and get started with affiliate marketing under my mentorship, find the link in the description of this video, or just drop a comment and I'm definitely going to get in touch with you. Meanwhile, I hope you have subscribed to my channel, because if at this point you've not yet subscribed, then wrong now, it is wrong, right? So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to also share this video with your friends that you know needs to see this video. Until next time, when I come your way again, keep being you, and remember, you have it in you. You can do it, and I'm definitely rooting for you. Mwah.